Morning students, welcome back to physics class. This is Raj Mishra. So we have started with the mathematical tools. Okay, so now today's the topic is trigonometric ratio. Okay, trigonometric ratio. Now already you have learned this topic in your 10th standard. So again I am starting with the your previous knowledge. Okay, so the trigonometric ratio, now already we know in our 10th standard we have 6 trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, so just generalize the formula first, then we are able to start with the numericals. Okay, so first of all draw a right angle triangle. This is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. This angle is theta. Okay, now suppose students, what is the formula for sine theta? Sine theta is nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, so for this theta, for this angle, this is the opposite side. Okay, opposite side upon hypotenuse. So the formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Similarly, if you want to calculate the formula for cos theta, what is the formula in 10th standard? It is base upon hypotenuse. Now from this theta, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So the angle. So if the angle is created over here, so it is nothing but like adjacent side. Okay, so base upon hypotenuse. Now similarly we know that is tan theta. What is the formula? Opposite upon base, that is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base. Similarly, what is the cot theta? Cot theta is inverse of tan theta, that is base upon perpendicular. So we can write base upon perpendicular. What is sec theta? Sec theta is inverse of cos theta. Okay, so just opposite hypotenuse upon base. So this is hypotenuse upon base. Similarly, what is cos theta? So cosec theta is inverse of sine. So we can say sine theta is inverse of this, cos theta is inverse of sec theta, and these two are inverse of each other. Okay, so similarly just written over here, sine theta is inverse of cosec theta, sine theta is inverse of cosec theta, or we can write, take this cosec theta over here, so sine into cosec is how much? 1. Okay, simply you know that we already solved in your mathematics. Okay, so similarly cos theta and sec theta is inversely proportional. So cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta. It is the formula. Okay, now similarly tan theta and cot theta is inversely proportional. Cot tan theta is equals to 1 upon cot theta, or we can say cot theta is 1 upon tan theta, just vice versa. Okay, now this two formula, if you want to write out the tan theta formula in sine and cos terms, so the formula is sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. Now what is the formula for cot theta? Cot theta is equals to cos theta upon sine theta. Now students, this is already we had done in your 10th standard, so just take a good numerical, and I hope you are able to understood the whole formula. Okay, now starting with the formula, suppose if cos theta is given 4 upon 5, then find the other relations. Okay, or other ratio. So how to start with this? Now see, cos theta 4 upon 5 means draw a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle. What is the formula of cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. So in this triangle, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Okay, so base is 4, so this is 4, and hypotenuse is 5. Okay, so how to calculate this? So we can calculate this by Pythagoras theorem. See, 5 square minus 4 square, so we have perpendicular 6 centimeter. So this is 3. Okay, now already we have 3 sides, so we are able to calculate the remaining ratio. What is the formula for sine theta? Sine theta is what is the formula for sine theta? Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now see, here this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, so this is 3 upon 5. Okay, now if I want to calculate cos theta, what is the formula for cos theta? 5 upon base upon hypotenuse. Now this is base and this is hypotenuse, so this is 4 upon 5. Similarly tan theta is how much? Perpendicular upon base. So see, this is perpendicular and this is base, so 3 upon 4 is the answer. Okay, 3 upon 4. Now, similarly cot theta and sec theta, and I hope you are able to understood this, how to solve this. If you know the formula, then you are able to solve this. Okay, so we are starting with the very next one, that is standard right angle triangle. Okay, now this is a very new concept, and this is interesting, and how to memorize it, because all these angles are used in your physics part. Okay, so just starting with the topic. Okay, suppose we have a right angle triangle over here, and similarly if the perpendicular is smallest, suppose I am taking this is 3, the base is 4, and the hypotenuse is 5. Okay, so if this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, so in a right angle triangle this angle is 90 degree. So how much is this 2? Total is 180. 180 minus 90 is 90. Okay, so the remaining two side is 90. Now how much is this and how much is this? That is the question. So it is a trick to learn. Okay, so always learn this angle. Angle A is, that is base and hypotenuse one, is called 37 degree. Okay, base and hypotenuse is 37 degree, and perpendicular and our hypotenuse is 53 degree. Okay, so we can also learn through this. Suppose in a right angle triangle, the 3, okay, 3 is a side, so from the opposite angle, okay, so 3 is a side, opposite angle means this angle is 3, means 37. Now see, this is 5, so 5 is nothing but, here we can write 53, so 5 for 53 and 3 for 37. So this is a shortcut way to learn this. Okay, now if we know this is 37 degree, this is 53 degree. Now if the question is arising from 37 degree, calculate sine theta. So from this angle, sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, so this is opposite, this is 3, and opposite upon hypotenuse means 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 is what? Sine theta. Theta is how much? 37. So we can write sine 37 degrees 3 upon 5. If I want to write from here cos theta, so we can write cos theta. What is the formula for cos theta? Cos theta is how much? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so this is 4 upon 5. Okay, similarly we can write tan 37 also. Tan 37 is perpendicular upon base, so 3 upon 4. Okay, similarly we can write for 53 degree also. What is 53 degree? This is from the angle 53, the opposite side is called opposite. Okay, and this is called base, so sine 53 is how much? Opposite upon base, 4 upon 5. This is the answer. Okay, what is cos theta? That is base. Now see, if this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, then definitely this is base. Okay, so base upon hypotenuse is the formula, so 3 upon 5. Okay, similarly we can write tan theta, so this is opposite and this is base, so 4 upon 3 is the answer. So similarly we have to keep this topic in our mind, because this is already going to be used in our numerical of physics. Okay, now suppose students, if the triangle is 6, 8, 7, the smallest is perpendicular, that is 6, the slightly bigger is base 8, and the very biggest is hypotenuse. If we have 6, 8, 7, then again the base and hypotenuse, the base and hypotenuse is 37 degree, and perpendicular and hypotenuse is 53 degree. Okay, similarly if we have 7, 24 and 25, perpendicular is smallest one is perpendicular, it is 7, the base is 24, and the biggest side is hypotenuse 25. So similarly the base and the hypotenuse is what? That is 37 degree. Okay, similarly this is 53. Okay, so we have one more good triplet, that is 5, 12, 13. If this is 5, this is 12, this is 13, so we can write this is 37, this is 53. Okay, now suppose I am taking this 7, 24, 25, this is 7, this is 24, this is 25, then definitely this is 37 degree, this is 53. If I want to calculate what is sine 37, so formula is opposite upon hypotenuse, so 7 upon 25, 7 upon 25. Similarly we can write for cos theta also. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so 24 upon 25 is cos 37. Similarly we can also write for 53. Okay, so this is the very important topic that we have to keep it in our mind, and this is near about, I can say 95% all these topics are going to be present in your 12th standard as well as in your 11th standard. So we have to just keep all these values, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 3 by 4, all this. If we see 3 upon 5, if this is 3, so starting one is 3, 5 means slightly bigger, 37, so this is 37. Okay, now so you have to keep, means at any cost you have to keep this topic in our mind. Okay, or either you can keep this triangle in our mind and calculate the remaining all the terms. That is very important. Okay, I hope you are able to understood the trigonometric ratio and the standard right angle triangle. Okay, so thank you very much.